Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens single box break number 816 of 1314 Upper Deck the Cup. Last and in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on April 4th at 7:11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Coincidence? 7:11. eBay's current day and time. And click refresh. It's currently Sunday, April 5th at 12:26 a.m. Eastern Time. We are streaming live on Breakers TV here. And also for anybody that hasn't registered on our Breakers page, really appreciate if you did. Do have a couple breaks there. We got OPG Platinum Team Select with 11 teams left, and our Mixer break is filled for tomorrow. So 816. And this is box 5 of 6 from our case, and our serial number tonight is NE221334085. So NE221334085. Sealed. And then we'll go to the rest of the shrink wrap. Sealed. Let's turn this around here. There we go, guys. 4085. So let's look for one more big monster hit out of this case here. Nice nuke there the other night. A tower of cup boxes. I haven't used many of them for shipping lately. So here we go, guys. No brilliance, which is somewhat of a good sign. Okay, so here we go, everyone. So we'll start off with a base card of Peter Forsberg, 249 for the Avalanche. Peter Forsberg. And we have ourselves a one-color auto rookie patch going out to the Devils of John Merrill. John Merrill, 249. Just need it to focus. $126 of 249. John Merrill. And nice patch. Going out to the Carolina Hurricanes. We have ourselves a limited logos of Ryan Murphy. We're 12 of 50. Ryan Murphy, the Hurricane. Next hit is a redemption. Is a NHL Cup Gold Spectrum variation going out to the Buffalo Sabres of Zemgus Girgensson. So that's the auto rookie version, auto 25. Going out to Buffalo. So whoever's the Sabres, I can eBay message you the code if you like. Oh, sick. We have a Masterpiece Cup printing plate of Wayne Gretzky. Very nice hit there. Going out to the Oilers. Gretzky plates do get a premium, so congratulations, Edmonton. So whoever's the Oilers, if you do want tracking on that, let me know and make arrangements on it. So that is the cup version. So it is the original cup version. That's the magenta color. And a 3-color update from 11/12 signature patch of Tyler Myers for the Edmonton for the Buffalo Sabres out of 75. So there we have it, guys. So congratulations again on Edmonton. Very nice Gretzky plate there. Yeah, Gretzky definitely saved the box there. So we got last box of the case tomorrow and more UD Ultimate. Then hopefully when ice comes out, we'll start adding more 14-15 product into them.